Hello, good people. You want to see how I use this to make a wide hoop earring? Check it out. I wanted a wide hoop that had this kind of flip closure. So it's actually a stud closure that I wanted. So of course, I went to my Glowforge and I cut a matching piece of wood. This is about a 3-inch earring. In the design, I left a 1-inch opening that would allow for the metal closure that I wanted. Since this is a really big earring, I cut my design only about 1/4 inch wide because I wanted it to be lightweight. This is 1/8 inch plywood and I'm cutting on a Glowforge Aura. It took a little over 7 minutes to cut these pieces. I got this little pack of earrings from the beauty supply store. I'm using super glue gel to attach my pieces. Now I lay my earring on top of my wood piece to make sure that it's going to fit the way I want it to. And that works the way I want it to work. And then I apply my super glue gel to my wood piece to prepare to attach my metal piece. The second earring was a little bit warped, so it didn't lay flat on my wood. So because of that, I had to use some clamps to make sure that it was attached securely. Now I'm going to cut 2 long strips of my fabric. I'm going to cut my strips about 1 inch wide because I want to be able to fold the fabric. At this point, I don't know how long I need my strips to be, so I just cut it the length of the fabric. So it's probably about 36 inches, 2 36-inch long pieces. I'm using tacky glue for this because it's a good kind of sticky gummy glue to get started. You could use a glue stick or even hot glue, but I would be careful with hot glue with this one. I fold my fabric under about 1/4 inch and I start to wrap at the very end. You can start from either end, start wrapping from either end and just wrap your fabric around, pulling it tight. You don't want it to be loose, and just keep wrapping until you get to the other end. Even though I'm using wood, because I can cut it, you could do this. You could cut the same shape in cardstock or cardboard, and do this very same thing. When you get to the end of your wrap, you want to fold both ends of your fabric so that you're gonna fold the second end so that you don't have any frayed ends. And then put the glue on it, cut it, and wrap it. And so that you have a neat end. Then repeat the process for the second earring. If you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We also have created the Hobby to Hustle community in the school app, and we invite you to join our community and see what else we have for you over there. You can create different variations in size of these earrings. You can use all kinds of fabric to have you a great hoop collection to sell or give as gifts. Let me know what you think of this idea. You know, it's been done over and over, but it's still brand new. All right, good people. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, a like, share it, subscribe if you're new here. We have over 1,000 videos. All right, good people. This is Sherry, and you know the drill. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.